Hi guys, today I'm repairing a 43-inch Philips TV, model 43P5853. When the TV powers on, it only flashes the Philips logo. Sometimes the logo appears very dim and then the screen goes completely dark. However, the remote still works to change channels, and there is still sound. I'll remove the back cover to take a closer look and see what's going on. I think this issue is likely caused by the TV's LED backlight strips reaching the end of their lifespan and no longer producing light, so I'll probably need to replace those LED strips. But first, let's check the capacitors on the main board to see if any are bulging, and then verify whether the output voltages are within spec. The power supply capacitors look fine, none of them appear to be bulging. The B+ power supply is 300 volts DC. The 38-volt supply is for the LED backlight. All the DC power rails are working properly. Now I'll remove the boards so I can proceed with replacing the LED strips. Be very careful with each step to ensure the safety of the boards and the cables. After removing all the screws, turn the TV over so the screen is facing up. Use a thin blade to gently pry off the top plastic frame so you can remove the screen. Once again, take it slow and be extremely careful to avoid cracking or damaging the screen. Some areas on the back of the screen are glued by the manufacturer. Carefully locate them and gently pry the adhesive loose. Be very careful, slowly lift the screen out and set it aside. Make sure to place it on a flat, soft surface to avoid damaging it. Next, remove the fur plastic rails. Beneath the screen are multiple layers of white diffuser sheets, and they can easily shift out of alignment, making reassembly difficult. So lift them all out together at once, and be sure to mark their orientation left-right to make reassembly easier. This model uses 8 LED strips. I'll mark the position of each strip so the replacements can be installed in the correct positions. Here are the 8 LED strips I ordered from Shopee for $7.5, about 194,000 Vietnamese dongs. Make sure to ask the seller about compatibility with your TV model before placing an order. I'll apply a layer of double-sided tape behind each LED strip to secure them in place. I've finished replacing the 8 LED strips. Now I'll reinstall the white diffuser sheets, making sure to wipe and blow off any dust from their surfaces. After positioning the white diffuser sheets correctly, reinstall the fur plastic rails before putting the screen back in place. Reinstall the screen, making sure all four corners are properly seated and not misaligned. Gently snap the plastic cover back into place to secure the screen. Reinstall the boards in their correct positions, reconnect all the cables, put the back cover on, and enjoy the result. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.